Hello to all my dear friends. Enough with loneliness. Here's how you won't be lonely anymore. Why do we feel lonely? First of all, let's take a closer look at why we feel lonely in the first place. There can be various reasons that are often intertwined and complex. Life changes. Moving to a new city, especially if we move away from family and friends, can exacerbate feelings of isolation. Losing loved ones, especially a partner, can create a deep emotional void. Changing jobs or retiring can also lead to the loss of work-related social connections. Communication problems. We may have difficulty communicating effectively with others, for example, not being able to express our feelings properly or not having active listening skills. Sometimes we feel that no one understands us or cares about us. Low self-esteem. When we don't like ourselves and don't respect ourselves, we may feel unworthy of connecting with others and avoid making connections. This feeling can exacerbate loneliness over time. Excessive use of social media, getting lost in the virtual world, and comparing ourselves to others can increase feelings of isolation and loneliness. Sometimes virtual connections replace real and deep connections. Physical and mental problems. Some physical and mental problems such as depression, anxiety, or chronic diseases can cause isolation and loneliness. Practical strategies to overcome loneliness. Consciously strengthen your connections. Call old friends and make appointments. Go to local groups and associations that have common interests. Take classes or workshops related to communication skills. Try to meet new people with an open mind and avoid premature judgment. Stay in regular contact with your family. Do your favorite activities with enthusiasm. When you're busy doing something you love, you think less about loneliness and feel more satisfied. Taking classes, group sports, art activities, or joining book clubs can be good opportunities to meet new people with common interests. Look for volunteer activities. Help others and experience a sense of worth. Volunteering in social activities or helping neighbors can strengthen your sense of worth, usefulness, and connection with others. Look for opportunities to help others in your community. Be kind to yourself and love yourself. Loneliness is a natural feeling, so don't blame yourself. Give yourself time to deal with this feeling and try to be friends with yourself. Meditation, yoga, journaling, or spending time in nature can help you in this regard. Look for self-care activities. Get help from a professional and use their experiences. If you feel that your loneliness is very severe and bothersome and prevents you from doing your daily activities, get help from a psychologist or counselor. They can provide you with more specialized solutions and help you identify and solve the roots of your loneliness. Remember that loneliness is a temporary feeling and you are not alone. Many other people experience this feeling as well. With effort and perseverance, patience, and kindness to yourself, you can overcome this feeling and have a happier life. I hope this video has been helpful to you and has been able to help you deal with loneliness. If you have any questions or have any experience in this regard, ask me in the comment section or share it with others. Until the next video, take care of yourself and remember that you are valuable and worthy of meaningful connections.